Okay, so when I got to this thing, it was laying in a pile behind someone's shed. This whole section here should be going down the center of a fiberglass tube, but it was shredded. It was completely shredded when I got to it. So I really wasn't sure if this antenna was going to work or not. So I didn't put a whole heck of a lot of time into this little rig I got going here. But I hooked it up, and somehow, surprisingly enough, this element here inside here was not damaged at all. There was no nicks in it. There was barely a bend in it. By some miracle, it managed to stay intact, even though this whole big section of fiberglass here was just snapped in half and all shredded. So I hooked it up to see what this thing would do, and I made about a 14-mile contact with it on 4 watts. Really wasn't sure if I was going to keep this thing or not, but it seems to be working pretty well, I would say. 4 watts, 14 miles. I mean, yeah, that antenna's up there, but you know. So what I'm gonna do is I got to come up with something better than this here, because I think what's happening is I'm getting water in. I got to be getting water in here somewhere, and it's goofing with my SWR. I got to keep changing my antenna tuner, and sometimes I can't get it down to where it needs to be. So since this thing's working so well, I think what I'm gonna do is take all this off and do something else. Hopefully get something that works a little bit better. All right, well, that's the situation.